Hey eco-friends, Abigna here at A Sustainable Life with a new recipe for you to enjoy. Last week I showed you guys my recipe for a deliciously creamy butternut squash soup and how to easily cut and de-seed a butternut squash. Today I'm showing you how to transform those seeds into a tasty and guilt-free snack. Just like pumpkin seeds, butternut squash seeds, acorn squash seeds, spaghetti squash seeds, and other similar squash seeds are rich in protein, fiber, and contain a healthy dose of iron, magnesium, and calcium. They can be roasted in the oven or dry roasted on a skillet. Today I'm going to be showing you the oven method because it's the least fussy. I have used the skillet method before, and quite frankly, those little seeds pop up wherever they feel like, and that scares me. So all you really need to do for this is pour some water over your seeds in a medium-sized bowl. And now it's easier to separate the pulp from the seeds, as I'm showing you here. You can compost that pulp. Massage the seeds in your hands to remove the excess stickiness if there is any left. Run them through a mesh strainer to drain off the excess water. Dry them on a clean kitchen towel and then rub them with both sides of the towel to dry them well, or even leave them to rest if you're not in a hurry. Toss them with some olive oil and some of your favorite seasoning. You can use Cajun, taco, curry, or whatever tickles your fancy. Garlic salt is probably my favorite. It is a classic, and since my seasoning already had salt, I didn't add any more. But if you like something a little bit sweeter for your mid-afternoon snack, then by all means you can use some cinnamon sugar or maybe even some cocoa powder and sugar. Place these on a silicone baking mat and make sure that they're spread evenly and that they're not on top of one another, so that you can really make sure they crisp up well instead of steaming. After they're nicely coated, bake them at 275 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. And then after 15 minutes, just remove them from the oven and check on them. If they're not brown yet and you'd like them to be crispier, then stir them once again and then stick them back in the oven for another 15 minutes. Once they're at your desired level of crispiness, they're done. So I like to just put them in a little mason jar and snack on them while I'm at my desk at work, and it's such an easy and healthy treat. So it really satisfies all my salty cravings. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. If you have any questions, then leave me a comment below and I'd love to answer them for you. If you want to see more videos like this, then subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time that I post a new video, which is every Friday. Thanks for watching. Bye!